trigeminal. This one, these two are olfactory. They're actually in order, so if you know them in order, they're easy. Your olfactory, we know these two are optic, oculomotor, trochlea, and then number 5, trigeminal, and then down here is abducens. So what is this one? Olfactory nerve. All right, what's the space?
Oh, that's the
the
first and second
that is that.
ventricles.
First and second ventricles, also called lateral ventricles. What's all the red stuff in there?
It makes season.
It makes CSF. What is it called? Choroid plexus.
Choroid plexus.
So it's fluid flows. You've got your interventricular foramen. Uh-huh.
Okay, sorry.
It's in your way, sorry. All right, then we go around the thalamus. So what goes around the thalamus?
The third
Third ventricle. Then we go down this little groove in the midbrain. This is your midbrain or your mesencephalon. The little groove is right here.
Cerebral aqueduct.
Cerebral aqueduct. Then we go to the diamond here. Fourth ventricle. Then it has two choices. Remember the two choices. It can either keep going straight down the central canal, or
Come back in.
you got holes in this diamond. The side holes were lateral, so lateral apertures. The middle hole is the median aperture. It then goes to the subarachnoid space, and what is the very top part? It goes back to the bloodstream.
The big flappy vein.
Superior sagittal sinus. What is this dot?
Fornix.
Fornix is this line right here.
Is that the mammillary bodies?
Intermediate
Oh, in the thalamus.
mass of the thalamus. What is this dot?
That's the pineal.
Now let's look over here. You got a little line there.
body.
What is? No, it's not a mammillary
That's
body.
that daggum ocular cristae.
Here's your optic nerve, right? That's optic
Optical
nerve, so that's optic chiasma.
Chiasma.
Optic chiasma. So when you see that optic nerve coming out of it, what's this thing?
Nerve.
What's the first one?
Olfactory.
Olfactory. There's optic. Right. What is, okay, the space is your lateral ventricle, but here's your membrane covering the space. What is that?
It's the S.
What's in your nose? Separates your two nostrils.
Septum.
Septum pellucidum. Septum pellucidum. Then you have meninges. Meninges. We have layers on here, the meninges. So what's the layer touching the brain?
Cerebral.
Pia mater.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
We had 3 meninges. We had dura mater, dura
Pia.
meaning durable, arachnoid like spider webs, and then pia mater.
That.
So what, if dura mater is here, what is space is above dura mater? Epidural space. What's below dura mater?
Subdural.
Subdural space. Then we got the arachnoid mater. What's above it? Space.
Subdural.
Subdural. What's below it?
Subarachnoid.
Subarachnoid. And then we got the pia mater. Pia mater is on here. That's your meninges, or your spaces. All right. What is the red stuff on here?
Choroid.
Choroid plexus.
Choroid plexus.
What are these?
Lateral.
Lateral ventricles. Then, before we get to the third ventricle, what is that little spot connecting to the third ventricle?
The canal.
No, means in between. What's the word for in between? Between the ventricles. So interventricular foramen. Then we got the third ventricle, and then what is this one here?
The optical canal.
Cerebral aqueduct. Cerebral, like cerebrum, cerebral aqueduct, and then what is this one? Fourth ventricle has holes in the sides. The side holes are lateral. Then what? Think about a camera. Lateral apertures, and the middle hole, the median aperture. Median aperture.
And it's messed up on the map or something.
It is. What is this?
Rods.
And this back thing is the pigmented layer. Then you got photoreceptors, which are rods and cones. What are the red? Bipolar cells, and the green?
Ganglion.
Ganglion cells. What's the inner ring? Suspensory ligaments. And this one? Ciliary body. Ciliary body. What is this red thing here?
It's what makes the aqueous stuff.
It's the same thing as this outer ring. This is your ciliary body here, and then what's the blue dot?
The thing that gives you
Scleral venous sinus. And that's it.